Hi there, this is Tim Blankenship, owner of SCV Legal Doc Assist. We're a licensed and bonded legal document preparation service, and we do specialize on only divorce. We can help you anywhere in California through our 100% online and virtual divorce service. Today, we're going to talk to you about what is personal service. I have the court's website up here so you can read along if you like. I'm just going to go over it a bit and explain exactly what personal service is. Now, this is in regards to divorce. It could be different in other civil cases, so just keep in mind this is only in regards to divorce. Now, we previously talked about who can be a process server, who can act as a process server. In this video, we're talking about what it means to personally serve and when you might need to use personal service. In the divorce case, there's certain things that need to be served by person and some things that can be served by mail. But in personal service, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's someone personally serving it. Just make sure it's not, you're not a party to the divorce, so you have to have some other third party serve the paperwork. And to do it personally means to personally hand them the paperwork. Now, some things to know about. If you are going through divorce and you are going to have a friend, a neighbor, or someone like that to serve your paper instead of using, say, a process server, which you can, they're going to have to fill out the proof of service. So just make sure, if it's a friend or relative or something, they're going to know who this person is, what they look like, and so forth. So they're going to know that who that person is, who they're handing in the paperwork to. Just make sure that when they're done, that they mark the time and the date and location and their name, and they sign the proof of service indicating that your spouse was served. That way you can file that form with the court, and that's what actually kicks off the divorce process and starts the 6-month waiting period. Now, it happens on occasion when one of the spouses won't accept the paperwork. What happens if you have your friend or relative go to hand your spouse the paperwork and they refuse to receive it, or they slam the door in their face, or they throw it on the ground, or they tear it up? It doesn't matter. It says here that if the party being served does not want to take the papers, they can be left on the ground in front of him or her. If she or he takes the papers and tears them up or throws them on the ground, it is still considered to be a valid proof of service. The person being served does not have to sign anything, and that's probably the most important thing. It's not that they have to sign and acknowledge receiving it. Just someone has to stand there and hand them, and if they don't receive them, just drop them on the ground, and you're going to still fill out the same proof of service saying that you served so-and-so on such and such date at this time and at this place. If you have any more questions about proof of service, or if you're looking for a company to professionally prepare your divorce papers, please give us a call. You can reach us at 661-281-0266. Otherwise, you can see we have numerous websites that you can visit depending on where you live in Southern California. We have site-specific information on here. Again, Divorce 661, Divorce 818. You can pretty much type in divorce in any area code, and you'll find our site. Again, Tim Blankenship, owner of SCV Legal Doc Assist, licensed and bonded legal document preparation service, specializing in divorce. Thanks for watching.